Hello friends, welcome back to another new video of Urban Shows. I hope you all will be doing well in the current times, and so we are here to entertain you and give you information with our new video, which will be of football topic, and it will consist of the best 11 that Barcelona team, a very good team in football, a very popular team in football, has of its all time. So it was a tough task choosing the all-time 11, but I have at last completed it and want to share it to you through the means of this video. So let's get started. So friends, let's start building up the Barcelona team, which I think is the best, and I hope that you all would also agree with my team. So starting with the goalkeeper of our team. There were two options. The current one that is going on in the world and is going very popular is the Marc-Andre Ter Stegen. He is the option, and the other one is Victor Valdez. So out of the two, because that Marc-Andre Ter Stegen has gone a bit more agility and he is a bit more flexy, so I would like to keep Marc-Andre Ter Stegen as my goalkeeper rather than Victor Valdez. So I will just write it about here. Marc-Andre Ter Stegen is our goalkeeper of the team. So now let's get to the backs, the defenders who will get the job done. Starting with the left back, who can give good crosses and can also take the ball, take the position back, should be fast in running, should be good in passes. So I think there was only one option for me in this. The only one option that I thought of should be better than everyone else is Jordi Alba. I have to adjust my Google so that you all can get a good view. Jordi Alba would be my left back. Now getting through with the centre backs. The centre backs, who should be the centre backs of the team? So the centre backs of the team I have taken as captain and fair and the current one. Carlos Puyol and Gerard Piqué would be my centre backs. I consider them the best that have played for Barcelona, and they also have an edge. I should not say they have many edges over the other players that are the contenders. So now going to the right back, I thought it should be Brazilian, who's currently serving PSG. I have taken Dani Alves as the right back so that the defense can look a bit stable, and I think I have built up a good defense. To comment that it is a good defense or not, I will surely give it a look in the comment section. So now coming on to the mids. To the left mid, there should be a player who is good at giving crosses and also does take shots that can deceive the goalkeeper immediately. So for me, the best one I have in this purpose should Captain Argos, Iniesta. Iniesta is the best one that I think will be the one serving the left mid position, because he was a brilliant player when he played for Barcelona, and he has won many trophies also together, and he deserves to be in the all-time ultimate 11 of Barcelona. And I forgot to mention, you all must have now known that I am making a 4-3-3 formation. So four defenders, three midfielders, and three strikers, containing the goalkeepers. I am going through this 4-3-3 formation. If you have any other, please put in the comment section, and we will discuss about it. Now coming to the center mid, the person should also be able to help these people save the goals, and also should be able to charge forward. So my pick is the best CDM that is available, Sergio Busquets. I think Sergio Busquets is the best central defensive midfielder in the world, and I kept him as my center mid so that the midfield should look a bit strong both attackingly as well as defensively. So Sergio Busquets is my CDM or CM, you can say. Now right mid, someone who does like Kevin De Bruyne does now, get crosses for all the players to convert into the goal. There is no one to get better than Xavi Hernandez. As you know, in 2014 he was also the most assist giver. If I am not wrong, it was year 2014, in the year which he was the most assist giver for the season in La Liga. So he has been selected as the right mid. Now coming to the left wing, who will take the position so that he gets those fiery balls in that the goalkeeper cannot stop at all. So I have a pick. Ronaldinho, the great maestro Ronaldinho, will be my pick for my right mid position, as he is the one who had served Barcelona for a long time and also had played an important role when he was playing. So Ronaldinho would be my left winger. Now coming to the center forward of the team, who should be the center forward. So center forward is the one who should be a great finisher, calm person in the times, and there is no one doing good finishing than Luis Suarez. So Luis Suarez is currently the best finisher in Barcelona. Now the people will say Messi is better finisher, but still I can say that Luis Suarez gets out the good finishes, and is a calm finisher. That is the one thing that is needed. So Luis Suarez is a calm finisher, and I have taken him as the center forward, as he is the third most goal scorer of the team. So I hope also that we should win his contract so that we don't need Lautaro Martinez anymore for the team, because I think Suarez is better than Lautaro Martinez. Now the right winger is a no-brainer. I can close my eyes and write the name. Who will be the right winger of the team? It will surely be Lionel Messi, the greatest ever in the world. He is being contended by Cristiano Ronaldo for being the great. So he is the right winger, the most goal scorer for Barcelona, and recently he completed 700 goals. So he is the best in Japan. So I have completed out my team. So if you like it, friends, this Barcelona team of 4-3-3 formation, do give me a comment and write another team which you want to see, whose best 11 you should want to see, you would want to see in the coming time. I would also be doing some different teams. After Barcelona, I will also come with some more teams of the best 11s. So I would like to see how many of you are interested in which teams. Please whisper in the comment section which team do you want and which team would you like to get as a topic of the video in the best ever playing edition. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and do comment in the section. Thank you.